Last night at Camp Nou felt different. 45,000 fans, a sold-out stadium, and Barcelona delivered a dominant 3-0 win over Mallorca. But it wasn't just about the result. It was about the energy, the atmosphere, the statement. Under the lights, Barça didn't just win, they sent a message to the league. While the team secured 3 crucial points, something else was rising inside the stadium. Because beyond the victory, Camp Nou itself is transforming before our eyes. Stay with us because today we're taking you inside Camp Nou to show you the latest construction updates and everything happening around the stadium. New slats have been installed in the corner section. While progress since midweek isn't dramatic, several new pieces have been added. Approximately 8 full slats, plus 1 extending to the top. Weather delays earlier in the week slowed progress significantly, but with clear conditions today, crews are maximizing installation time. Additional slats are stacked and ready for lifting. One of the biggest recent developments is the installation of massive tie rods along the lateral section. These pieces are highly visible right now because they were recently installed. The 3 radial beams remain in place, and the 4th beam is now visible in the storage area, along with other compression ring components. Large structural pieces for the compression ring are now staged near the lateral area, including counterweight-like elements and a prepared pillar for the 4th radial beam. Significant material is stockpiled, signaling continued structural progress in the coming weeks. In multiple staircase areas, crews continue placing beams and preparing sections for concrete and panel installation. Some areas are being chipped between beams and hollow-core slabs, likely to refine structural connections. Not all sections have received sandwich panels yet, but installation is progressing zone by zone. In another corner section, walls have been fully painted black. Work is ongoing to prepare this area for slat supports. Most importantly, welding has begun for vertical joints that connect to black beams. These welded joints will hold future slat supports, a key step forward for facade installation in this zone. Moving toward the south goal, multiple slats are prepared in the corner area. Tribuna still lacks slat supports, and the corner supports are missing anchor installations. Until anchors are placed, slat installation cannot begin in those specific sections. Work continues steadily but methodically. One of the most visible updates is the installation of sandwich panels around the staircases. Lower panels are concrete, while the upper ones use lighter materials. These panels are now appearing more frequently around the stadium. The silver finish is temporary, as decorative cladding is expected to be added later. In some staircase areas, interior panel installation is nearly complete, with only small sections remaining. Chrome ventilation tubes continue to be installed in upper levels of the corner. Multiple stacked components indicate ongoing mechanical system installation, likely related to air circulation or HVAC. This area currently shows high activity across structural, mechanical, and facade works. The Tribuna diamond structure is advancing well. Most glass panels are installed with only a few missing near corners and above door sections. The rear structural wall still requires finishing and concrete pouring. Overall, this section is nearing completion in terms of facade glazing. Tribuna shows moderate activity, including lifting platforms and what appears to be a team coordination meeting. Glass panel supports are being installed on one side, while scaffolding remains mostly inactive at this moment. Some interior zones are calm, while others show steady platform movement. The shop diamond area still awaits installation of several glass panels, particularly those positioned above door entrances. Glass panes remain stacked nearby, ready for placement. Worker presence is high in this zone, with active coordination and preparation ongoing. The north goal shows visible movement with multiple lifting platforms active. Interior structural work is advanced on both sides. Glass panels have not yet been installed in certain support sections. Reports suggest that by the end of February, the north goal may receive operational licensing, potentially increasing stadium capacity to approximately 62,000 spectators, a major milestone toward the full 105,000 capacity target. And if you want to catch every close-up update of Camp Nou's historic transformation, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, because here, you'll get every update first and in full detail.